Welcome back to the news channel Autonews Parts and Accessories. Jessica Lau here. Today, we're shifting gears to spotlight one of the most anticipated releases in the adventure vehicle world, the 2025 Base Camp truck, rugged, modular marvel designed to redefine off-grid exploration. Let's break down what makes this truck a game-changer. The Base Camp Truck 2025 isn't just tough, it's smart. Built on a reinforced steel chassis, it boasts a 3,500-pound payload capacity and 12 inches of ground clearance, perfect for rocky terrains. The modular bed system lets you swap out gear racks, storage units, or even a pop-up camper in seconds. And with 37-inch all-terrain tires and a retractable winch, this truck laughs in the face of obstacles. Inside, drivers get a 15-inch touchscreen with overlanding navigation software, real-time weather updates, and a drone integration feature for scouting trails. But the real star? The Base Camp Configurator, which lets owners customize accessories like rooftop solar panels, fold-out kitchens, and even a portable shower system. Talk about glamping on wheels. Under the hood, the Base Camp offers a hybrid powertrain, a turbo diesel V6 paired with a 48 volts electric motor delivering 30 mpg, highway and 500 miles of range. For eco-warriors, an all-electric version arrives in late 2025, promising 300+ miles per charge and a solar-ready roof to juice up off-grid. Starting at $68,500, the Base Camp truck hits dealerships this December. Pre-orders include a free adventure starter kit with a portable air compressor and recovery boards. CEO Mark Reeves calls it the Swiss Army knife of trucks, and we're inclined to agree. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, the 2025 Base Camp truck is built to turn any destination into your base camp. Stay tuned for our hands-on test drive next week. For now, hit those links below to explore the specs and don't forget to subscribe.